This is a video on how to replace the control panel on a Kenmore Wall Oven. This particular model is 790.488-33901. The replacement cost for this oven is about $1,100. The control panel can be obtained from SearsPartsDirect.com for about $250. First thing you want to do is turn your breaker off the panel, and you would lose your display on your control panel. Pull your door open and you'll see at least 2 screws, maybe 4, going into the sides of the wall. Take those screws out and you should be able to slide the oven right out. I just slid it out about 1.5 feet, and on the top there's some sheet metal covering the control panel. About 6 screws, take those off, pull your sheet metal off. You also have access to your fan if you have fan problems through the same way. The control panel actually looks like this. 4 screws actually goes right into the back of the stove. The AC connections, you'll have 5 connections right there. Just make a note of the colors, put them back on the same way. There's 2 white connectors right there. They just pull off and push back on. And the only thing, a little trick too, is you have 2 ribbon cables that plug in here. You squeeze those together and pull that up, and it'll replace the ribbon cables. So you just put them back down. When you put them in, just slide it back down to grab those. Make sure they're tight, they won't get loose. And go back and put your power back on, and that's should fix your problem if the control panel is bad. They do have a return policy if that does not fix your problem. Thank you.